You can spend thousands on your wireless system, but without this small $32 part, your setup could fall apart. This is more than a rack mount kit. This is the foundation of your system stability. And it's built for the Cisco 2504 wireless controller. Every IT engineer knows the frustration. When a high-end controller is mounted poorly, when cables shift during maintenance, when performance drops because one thing wasn't secured properly. You don't need more problems. You need one solution. The AIRCT2504 RF rack mount kit, specifically made for Cisco 2504 wireless controllers. It's engineered for durability, balance, and performance, so your system can work the way it's supposed to, effortlessly. Here's why this $32 part is worth more than its price. Perfect fit. Designed exclusively for Cisco 2500 for wireless controllers, steel construction, rigid, rust-resistant metal for long-term reliability stabilizes mounting. Ensures no shifting, sagging, or stress on port cleaner setup. Organize cables better, reduce airflow issues, and improve maintenance access. Plug and protect design keeps your expensive hardware safe. When you invest in premium networking gear, this kit is your insurance policy, referring to the image you provided. Take a look at this clean Cisco 2504 wireless controller. Now picture it half-balanced, loosely mounted, or placed unsecured on a rack shelf. Not only is that risky, it can cause overheating, stress on ports, or even permanent damage during transport. This rack mount kit ensures that your gear looks good, stays safe, and performs like a beast. Our customers include network architects, corporate IT managers, data center teams, and home lab pros. They don't gamble on core components. They build with precision. And that precision starts with how your controller is installed. This is a one-time investment, but it protects you from many headaches for years to come. When you shop at Shopiluxe, you're not just buying parts. You're joining a community of professionals who demand reliability and authenticity. 100% original and tested products, fast shipping worldwide. Trusted by network engineers and IT buyers, real-time support, always available for questions. We don't sell what we wouldn't use ourselves. And that's why this mount kit comes highly recommended. Don't wait for loose mounts, bent ports, or controller damage to make you act. Grab the RCT2504 RF rack mount kit today for just $32. Make your Cisco 2500 for wireless controller safe, secure, and performance ready. Available now at Shopiluxe, https://shopiluxe.com/products/air-cord to 504-RMN TRF professional setups. Start with professional parts. Don't cut corners. Secure your controller with confidence.